Welcome back, lovely moms. In today's video, we are introducing some amazing baby brain boosting foods that help support healthy growth, sharp memory, and overall development. These simple natural ingredients can easily be added to your baby's daily meals, perfect for busy moms who want to give their little ones the best start. Let's explore the superfood that nourish your baby's brain and keep them learning, growing, and shining every day. Before the video, please subscribe the channel Nutri Tots. Number 1. Eggs. A powerful brain boosting food for babies. Eggs are one of the best early foods to support your baby's growing brain. They are packed with choline, an essential nutrition that helps with brain development, memory, and learning skills. The healthy fats in eggs also support your baby's nerve system and overall growth. Eggs contain choline for memory and brain development, high quality protein for healthy growth, iron to support cognitive development, vitamin B12 and vitamin D for brain and bone health, good fats that boost brain function. You can start giving well-cooked eggs to babies from 6 months, beginning with small amounts of cooked yolk and gradually introducing whole egg. A nutritious egg meal even helps babies stay full and active for longer. Perfect for busy moms who want quick, healthy recipes. Number 2. Low mercury seafood for babies' brain development. Low mercury seafood like salmon, sardines, tilapia, and shrimp are rich in DHA, an essential omega-3 fat that supports your baby's growing brain, eyesight, and nerve system. These healthy fish are safe option for babies starting around 6 months, pure or mashed well. Offering small portions helps boost memory, learning, and overall brain development while providing high quality protein and important minerals. Number 3 is green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are powerful brain boosting foods for babies. They are rich in iron, folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants, which help support healthy brain development, improve memory, and keep little ones energetic. Spinach, moringa leaves, kale, and amaranth can be gently cooked and blended into purees or mixed with rice or porridge for an easy, nutritious meal. A small daily serving can naturally support your baby's growing brain. Number 4 is yogurt. Yogurt, a natural brain boosting food for babies. Yogurt is a wonderful early food that supports your baby's growing brain. It's rich in healthy fats, protein, and calcium, which help develop strong brain cells and improve memory and learning. The probiotics in yogurt also keep your baby's tummy healthy, helping them absorb nutrition better. Always choose plain, unsweetened yogurt, and it's best for babies 6 months and above. Number 5. Beans. Beans are an amazing brain boosting food for babies. They are packed with protein, iron, and essential minerals that support healthy brain development. The slow release energy in beans keeps little ones active and focused, while the fiber helps digestion. Adding soft, well-cooked beans to your baby's diet is a nutritious way to support growing brain and happy tummies. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils for baby, a natural brain booster. Lentils are wonderful first food packed with iron, protein, and folate, all essential for your baby's growing brain. The iron in lentils helps improve memory and concentration, while protein support healthy brain cell development. They are gentle on little tummies, easy to digest, and perfect for building strong, smart beginnings. Number 7. Berries. Berries for babies, brain boosting benefits. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural plant nutrition that support healthy brain development. Their powerful antioxidants help protect brain cells, improve memory, and support learning. The natural sweetness and soft texture make berries a great early food option when introduced safely as purees. A small spoon of berry puree can give your baby a colorful, nutritious, and brain boosting start. Number 8, Peanut and Peanut Butter. Peanuts and peanut butter baby brain boosting power. Peanuts are wonderful source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, all essentials for your baby's growing brain. A small amount of smooth peanut butter helps support memory, focus, and overall brain development. It also provides iron and zinc, which help your little ones stay active and alert. Number 9, Oats. Oats Baby Brain Booster. Oats are a powerhouse of nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins that support healthy brain development in babies. Rich in fiber and slow release energy, they help keep your little one active and focused. Adding oats to your baby's diet can promote cognitive growth, improve memory, and support overall brain function. Number 10, Nuts and Seeds. Nuts and seeds, brain boost for babies. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals that support brain development. Walnuts, rich in omega 3 fatty acids for memory and cognitive growth. Almonds, full of vitamin E to protect brain cells. Chia and flax seeds, tiny powerhouses of omega 3 and fiber. Tip: for babies, always grind or make into pastas purees to avoid choking hazards. Boost your little one's brain the tasty way. Thanks for watching our brain boosting foods video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Nutri Tots for more health tips for your little ones.